Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can revolutionize your sound experience, the 12 Polyurethane Wedge acoustic foam panels. We found this product online and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. These foam panels are designed to improve the acoustic quality of any space by deadening unwanted sound. If you're struggling with echoes or reverb in your environment, these panels can be a game changer. They measure 9.8 by 9.8 by 2 inches each and are made from high-density polyurethane foam, specifically engineered to absorb medium to high frequencies ranging from 500 to 8,000 Hz. This means they can significantly enhance the clarity of sounds, making conversations more intelligible in conference rooms, recording booths, or even during live performances. One of the standout features of these acoustic panels is their ability to reduce echoes and reverb by up to 3/4 dB. With a density of 26 kilograms per cubic meter, they provide substantial wall coverage of 1.5 square meters, making them ideal for larger areas. Unlike other types of acoustic tiles, these panels perform exceptionally well even at lower frequencies, meaning you get superior sound absorption across a wider range of sound frequencies. Installation is a breeze, which is a huge advantage for anyone looking to improve their sound quality without a hassle. You can easily mount these panels on walls or ceilings in various environments, whether it's a conference room, a theater, or any space where sound quality matters. The design aims to effectively eliminate standing waves and floating echoes, allowing you to control and manage the sound levels effortlessly. The aesthetic appeal of these panels is another significant advantage. They come in various styles and colors, which can enhance the beauty of your space while blending seamlessly with your interior design. Whether you're looking to create a professional recording studio or a cozy podcasting corner, these foam panels can add a touch of style. Additionally, they are versatile enough to be used as protective cushioning for musical equipment during transportation, making them perfect for guitar cases, laptop bags, or even concert gear. So, who are these panels suitable for? Well, if you're a musician, podcaster, or someone who frequently hosts meetings, these acoustic panels can be invaluable. They're also great for anyone looking to create a more peaceful living or working environment by reducing noise pollution. Retail and catering environments can particularly benefit from enhanced sound clarity, making customer interactions much more pleasant. Practically speaking, you can use these panels in a variety of ways. For instance, if you're setting up a home recording studio, installing these panels can drastically improve the quality of your recordings. In a conference room setting, they can ensure that everyone hears and understands what's being said clearly, improving communication overall. Even in a movie theater or performance hall, they can help create a more immersive experience for the audience. Overall, the 12 Polyurethane Wedge acoustic foam panels are a great investment for anyone serious about sound quality. They combine affordability with effectiveness, making them one of the best options available for acoustic treatment. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.